Hi, my name's Matt Bryan. We're here at ISE 23 in sunny Barcelona. Cold today though. So today we're showing, or this week we've been showing our popular AFC head. This head is probably our best-selling head. We can put broadcast cameras on here with a payload of up to 15 kilograms. We can control this manually with our broadcast panel, or we can use our software to do it. Moving over to the right of the head, we've got our Polymotion Chat software. This is a piece of software that's able to track people using their limbs. We can also use facial recognition to do this, but we find the limbs are better simply because when the camera's turned away, not looking at the face, it's actually tracking your body. Now we're able to do this on our QRS. This is the Quiet Rail system. This is from Mark Roberts Motion Control. Here we've got a Panasonic PTZ on the rail. We can also mount this with a broadcast camera, and it can be any manufacturer. By the way, did I point out that our tracking software, that can also be tied to any manufacturer as well. And that's about it from MRMC here at ISE.